Hey, welcome back. So today we're going to be putting on a spoiler, carbon fiber look. I'm going to show you in a minute, but here's the last look without it. That's what the car looks like without it. Let's take you around. So we'll give you a look. I mean, that's the stock look of the back of the car, right? So there you go. So I don't know what the best way to look at the install. We might be readjusting, but let me get the spoiler. So this is it. It is pretty cool, pretty aggressive, and it is going to go out here. Goes pretty much edge to edge. So that's what it's going to look like. It's going to look pretty cool, actually. I like it. So now what we're going to do first is I have blue painter's tape, and we're going to center it, measure everything out, and get it right how I want it, where it's exactly even on both sides. So this is the most important part, in my opinion, is prepping it, because you want to make sure you're the same on both sides. I mean, you know, and I think I just got it there. All right, so what we're going to do is make tape marks on the car where it should line up. Okay, so I just double checked, and my marks are good. I'm centered with my tape. So what I'm going to do now is take this off of the car. Okay, so first thing I want to do is clean it with alcohol, the surface area where I'm going to stick this, because the alcohol will evaporate pretty quick. Okay, so this came with 4 of these adhesion promoters. So we're going to use these and prep the surface, and then we'll be good to go to apply it, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay. All right, here goes the moment of truth. So it's got this tape on the back, 3 strips. So I am kind of debating if I should pull it all off or just do it as I place it. I would think I might want to prefer to do it as I place it, because I'm alone and I'm one set of hands here. But I don't know if that's really the best idea or not. But that's what I'm going to try, because you should be able to pull this out from under here like this. So give it a shot. Okay, so there it is. It's installed. Let's take you around and take a look at it. So that's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. It's pretty aggressive. I like the way it looks. Close up. I mean, you can see it's definitely stuck on, but like the ends seem to make like a little noise, but that's actually the whole hood is moving. So I think it's fine. I think it's on. And here you can see it's the same amount of space here as here. So I like it. I think it looks pretty cool. I think it definitely adds to the car. It's very, I like it. The carbon fiber, it looks good. I mean, I got to wipe it down. It's got to cure for a bit and make sure it doesn't go anywhere. But like, here it is from this angle. I think it looks cool. I like it. So we'll see. I will at some point post a comment in the comments of, did it hold up? I have a long drive tonight, actually, in about, let's see, what time is it? It's 8, in about 9 hours. I'm going to be driving about 150 miles. So we will see if it flies off the car on the New Jersey Turnpike or stays on. So yeah, let me know what you think. Comment in the comment section. Do you like it? Do you think it's ugly? Would you do one? Would you do a different one? Let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time.